How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? It is me again. By myself. I just got done cutting firewood, as the video showed you earlier. This is a little lesson 101 on chainsaw sharpening. First you need your soda. Hold on. Your soda. Put a little special sauce in your soda. Makes it taste a little better. And you need a file. Any file will do. So you take, the trick is you take a little wire nut, put on the end of your files. Or you could use tape. Or the hardware stores have these little handles that you can waste your money and buy, I think they're like 75 cents or some shit. Too expensive, but we prefer the wire nut method, as you can see here. And is it hot in here, or is it just me? I think it's me. Anyhow, you'll see on your saw, I don't want to mess the camera up, right? Pick it up. That there's, on your chain, there's little lines that go like this. So you got to take your file, and your saw's in a vise, and you got to line it up with them lines. Put pressure, and push and spin at the same time. Do about, I don't know, 5-10 times, and then you take your finger, then you touch that. If that feels like a fish hook, that means it's sharp as a mofo. And it'll cut your leg clean off. Which, that hasn't happened yet, but I haven't drank a lot of soda today. And you do that. And you just keep doing that all the way around. Trick I like to do so I know where I left off is you take a marker, and when you start, you mark the tooth you started on. Or your tooth. You mark the tooth you start on. That way when you get all the way around, you know you're done. You mess up and forget where you started, you sharpen your saw for, I don't know, a couple hours. And then, well, hear my stepdad coming. He's going to say, the hell you doing? I'm going to tell him, making a YouTube video. You want to be in it? And he'll say, that's gay. And once you get it all done, you fire it up and cut wood. I'm making a YouTube video. Would you like to be in it? No. Would you like to come see if I did that right? Come on, get over here and see if I did this right. I will have him come over and inspect my work to see if it's right. Come on, YouTube's waiting on you. You gotta inspect my chain. Alright, shut it off. Check that out.
You can shut it off and sit there and look at it. Big dog.